Hello dears, so we will carry on with Unit 9, Go Green. We have a new lesson, Lesson 2, page 84 and 85. So let's start. On top of the page, as usual, we have some pictures. First one is shore. What's the meaning of shore? It is the land along the sea or lakes or rivers. As you can see, even in the story, we have Mark and Faye. They are walking on the shore. The second one is seal. It is a sea animal. The seal is a sea animal that we find mainly in very cold places like the Arctic and the Antarctic. Third one is hurry up. Hurry up means to do something more quickly. Okay? And then we have fin. As you can see from the arrow, the fin is apart from the fish. Here it is a shark. It is apart from the body of the shark. It is shaped like a triangle. We find it in sharks and dolphins and other fish. The last word is protect. To protect means to save someone or something from being hurt, from getting hurt, or from damage. Okay? Let's start reading the story. We have Fark and Faye and Mark. They are walking near the beach. Okay, let's start. Oh, look, Mark, in the water, near the shore. It might be a dolphin. It looks like there is a plastic bag around it. Let's go and see. Miss Roberts said that about 200 different species of sea life die because of plastic bags. Yeah, I remember. Some of them are whales, dolphins, seals, and turtles. Hey, it's a shark. There is a bag around its fin. Poor thing, hurry up, let's help it. Don't go near it. It may bite you. We have to help it. It's dying. Come on, help me take the bag off it. We may hurt it. I don't want to kill it. Leave it. It might just swim away. Mark, we have to do something. Let's go for help. Fine. Well done, kids. So in the first picture, after half an hour later, what happened? There is a policeman and he's saying, well done, kids. That's a baby basking shark. You know, basking sharks are an endangered species. We need to protect them. Yeah, that's what I told Faye too. Mark! So what happened here is that the kids, they were discussing if they will help the shark or not. So they were saying that we may hurt it, let's help it. They didn't know first what to do, but then what happened is that Faye, she thought of asking for help, and that's the right thing to do. She asked for help, and the policeman came and helped the baby shark. We have some questions to answer, but before that, we have some words that we need to understand. Endangered species. They are species of animals or plants that are in danger and might stop existing because there are only a few of them alive. Okay, so endangered species are in danger. They might extinct. Now, after we read the story, I need you to go to activity 2. You read again and answer the questions. The first question, what does Mark think is in the water in the beginning? Second question, why do many species of sea life die? Third question, what's wrong with the shark? Fourth question, who is afraid of the shark? Fifth question, what did they decide to do in the end? And the last question, why should we protect basking sharks? Please answer the questions and you send me a picture and I will check your answer. Next, let's move to the grammar part. As you can see on top of page 85, you have these two sentences. Careful, we may hurt it. Second one, we might go to the aquarium tomorrow, but we don't know yet. As you can see, we have the two words may and might here. They are in red. So we use them to talk about things that did not happen, they might happen in the future and they may not. So things we are not 100% sure that they will happen. Careful, we may hurt it. So I'm not sure. This is what the girl is saying, or the boy Mark is saying. Careful, we may hurt it. Means that they are not sure. He's not sure that if they touch the shark, the baby shark or the animal, they can hurt it. So they are not very sure. The second sentence, we might go to the aquarium tomorrow, but we don't know yet. As you can notice here, we have the word, we have the phrase or the sentence, we don't know yet. So we are not sure, we don't know what will happen. So we use may and might when we want to talk about something that is possible to happen, so it can happen, but we are not 100% sure about it. So the conclusion is we use may and might to express possibility in the present or in the future. Example of sentences. It may rain today. She might be at work. These are two examples in which we use may and might. I need you to do the same and write some examples like this using may and might and send me to check. Third question or third activity, you have to match. You have some sentences and other parts of the sentences or answers, so you have to match them. You read them and match them, and again you send me your answer. The last activity in which you're going to use may and might, as I said before, I gave you two examples and you can write some more. And here in activity 5, you imagine you have found a dolphin on the shore. What will or will not you do for sure, and what may or might you do? Discuss in pairs, use verbs in the box, and your own ideas. I will explain. So you have some verbs like touch, feed, push, call, run away, protect, and help. Let's see what the two girls are saying. The first one is saying, I won't touch it. Remember from the previous lesson we said that won't means will not. So it means I will not touch it. I won't touch it means I will not touch it. It may be ill. So in the first sentence, the girl is 100% sure when she said, I won't touch it. I will not touch it. So she is sure. For sure, she's not going to touch the dolphin. But what is she not sure about is that it may be ill. She's not very sure if the animal is ill or not. So that's why she's using may. I need you to do the same and write some sentences. If you are in this situation, you found a dolphin on the shore, what will you do for sure? I will do something or I will not. And what are the things that you're not sure about? I will give you some examples. The first one, I might touch it. So I found a dolphin, I might touch it, I'm not sure. I might touch the dolphin, I might not. And the second sentence, what I'm going to do for sure, I will call the police or anyone that can help it. So we found the dolphin, I will for sure. So when I use will, I am sure what I am going to do. This is an action that I'm going to do in the future. I will call the police or anyone that can help. But when I say I might touch it, I'm not sure. There is a possibility that I will do that.